Welcome back, everyone. So I'm currently in the process of just doing the aftermarket reverse camera kit for the car, during which I've got to take the rear bumper off. So this is obviously just going to be a very quick how-to guide on how to remove the rear bumper on a Smart 453 for 4. The for 2 is slightly different, but not far off. But this is the for 4. To remove the rear bumper on the Smart for 4, what you need is a T30 torque bit, a T20 torque bit, and a panel tool. First things first, you need to remove the 220 torque 20 bit screws in the tail lights 1 and 2. That's on both sides, and then with your panel tool, just lever out from the bottom, and the tail light will come out. The next thing is to remove the 2 torque 20 bits in each of the wheel arches. So you've got the one there and the one here. It is a little bit tight in behind the wheel. It might be worth taking the wheel off, but I've got a T-bar and it fits in just enough, so I've done it without removing the wheel. That's on both sides. Next, what you've got underneath is 5 T20 bits. So this is the middle, and then you've got one towards the edge there, and then one, if it focuses, I don't know if it will, just on the edge there, and obviously you've got 2 going the other way, so there's 5 in total. Obviously it's just the 2 T30 screws, 1 either side, to be removed. Once that's done, I've just pulled it out, but just gently take hold of the edge and just pull, and the side will disconnect. And then basically what you want to do is just work your way along, and the bumper will unhook. I'll just do this side, so just gently just pull it out. It's really gentle, and then just go along, and it'll unpull, and then the bumper will drop down. You pull it away, just be careful of, there's a little electrical collector just here. All you need to do is push on the tab and it slides apart, and then that is the bumper off. Well, that's the end of the video. Obviously it's a very quick video on how to remove the rear bumper. Like I say, it's part of I'm doing it part of trying to sort out the reverse camera, which will be in a different video. Look for that one. It is useful. There's been a couple of videos on variants of different reverse cameras for the car. Realistically, I want to be doing it at £50–60, so nice and cheap. So look out for them. As always, I hope the video is useful. Any questions, comments, give me put it in the comment section, or drop me an email. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.